issued a flash flood warning for Southern Banks County in northeastern Georgia, Central Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jefferson, Commerce, Homer, Bristolton, Maysville, Hodgson, Pendergrass, Talbot, Apple Valley, and Banks Crossing. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.